Alright, a lot of you guys requested for this video, and here it is. This is going to be my list of top 10 applications, essential applications that I know everybody will find great use for. So since watchOS 6 is now officially out to the public, some of these applications had to be replaced because they weren't fully compatible, but the apps on this list are fully compatible for watchOS 6. So this is perfect for anybody who just picked up an Apple Watch or you want to find out some awesome third-party applications, not since you update your device for watchOS 6. Now with that said, let us begin our list, and for number 1, I would recommend to check out SHAZAM. Yes, the music identifier app. Because I'm fully aware that Siri on watchOS 6 can now finally identify songs, but the thing about that, you have to verbally ask Siri to do so. And depending on your surrounding, your location, is not really always appropriate to do, and can be sometimes embarrassing if it's like a song that your friends will never expect you to actually enjoy. Just to name a quick example. But with SHAZAM, you don't have to worry about that, because the cool thing with this application, it can also be set as a complication, where by simply tapping on it, it's going to immediately know what to do, and it's going to begin searching and identifying the song that you're listening to. Only takes a few seconds to identify and shows you all that information right there. So it's just more convenient to use, so that's why I have it on my number 1 app on our list. Moving on, Battery Phone is the name of this application, and it's a complication that will actually show you your Apple Watch battery life percentage as well as your iPhone. Even on watchOS 6, we still don't have the ability to check on our iPhone battery life status. But with this application, we could do so. Now I like this complication because it labels it right there, and every 5 minutes it's going to automatically update, so it'll update automatically on the watch face. But if you need to manually update right that second, you can just simply tap update and it will show you the exact battery life percentage your iPhone is currently at. Now for number 3, this third application, this one is called WatchtheTime, and it's also another complication. What I like about this complication, it actually not only gives you the date, but underneath that also shows you the time. This complication just simply replaces my date complication, because this one actually gives me more information than just simply the date. And on our iOS device, on our iPhone, we actually have full customization, so if you want to personalize it to make it match better with your watch face, you could do so. Moving along, PEDOMETER++ is our number 4 app I want to show you. If you have a step daily goal for a healthier lifestyle, you definitely do want to check out this application. Because in this application, it not only shows you the steps, it shows you the distance, the amount of floors, and you can actually start an outdoor run or any other outdoor activity using GPS. But now you might be asking yourself, can I just do that on the activity app? Yes, you certainly can, but that's not the reason why I like this application. The main reason why I like this one is because this app will actually give you a complication, which will actually give you the number right there of steps you have taken, as well as the progress bar on top, so that you could quickly take a quick glance and know exactly where you are during the day. Unlike the activity app or the complication, I don't really like the little rings that it gives you, because that's just an estimate. And I am fully aware that you can actually click on it and go down and see the exact steps right there. But you have to do extra steps to get that information, and this application basically solves that. And I much rather do it this way than I used to do it before with the activity app. So for number 5, this application is called CHRIP Weather. What I like about this application than the native one is that it actually gives you a lot more information on one page. Unlike the native weather application, you have to scroll to get all this information, and with the CHRIP, it actually gives you a little bit more, especially on its complication watch face. Not only does it also utilize all the space above here, but these numbers, the readings on CHRIP, is extremely accurate to the weather, and on top it shows you the high, the lows. It shows you if it's clear today or not, as well as the temperature, and a little graph with a little dot to let you know how the day is going so far. Underneath that, you also see an image of the current sky conditions. It just gives you more information on the screen than the native weather application, which is why I really like this, and I see why a lot of people recommended this application in the past. Now, ETA is this next application I want to quickly show you. This is great if you do a lot of commuting, if there's a lot of traffic in your area. What the ETA allows you to do, instead of previously what I used to do would go on Google Maps to see how current traffic conditions was, with the iPhone app you can actually enter custom locations to destinations that you find yourself constantly going to, and on the Apple Watch itself it's going to show you the current traffic conditions. So by clicking on one destination, for example, we have a little graph right here that will actually show you the current traffic condition. So right now everything is green, but normally like at the end of the day it'll be orange and at the very bottom it'll be green. It will actually put you where the current traffic condition is, so it'll be like somewhere in the yellow, for example. And it also shows you the current ETA time from your current location and how long it will take you to arrive at that destination. There's also a complication for this as well, so you can see, which is right here, and we can see the current driving conditions. So with the current driving condition with zero traffic, it will take us roughly around 25 minutes to get there. And I've been using ETA for over a year now, and I really do like this application because it always prepares me for traffic. A few of my friends also use this at their jobs, so they know when's the appropriate time for them to take their lunch without running into traffic. Now for number 7 is Cardiogram, but unfortunately Cardiogram does not support WatchOS 6. I'm not sure if it will. So this got replaced with Heart Analyzer. The application itself of Heart Analyzer will actually show you a graph of all your previous workouts, exercises, and other heart rate histories. But the complication itself will actually not only show you the last time it took your BPM, because your Apple Watch will randomly check every so often, but whenever it does that, it will actually show you the last rate, and will also tell you the time that it last checked. The reason why I like using this complication is that if you're doing something like a HIIT cardio workout and you're trying to target a certain BPM to burn more calories efficiently, this is a great companion to have, especially when you're outdoors and running, because when you're on a treadmill you can see that information right there. While you're running you don't have that treadmill, but you can see the information of your BPM all off the wrist. So for number 8, this application is actually called KERNEL. It's actually created by a fellow content creator as well, Nikias. He covers a lot of tech content as well. If you haven't seen his channel and you love Apple, go ahead and check out his channel. So you got a quick shout out, man. But what I really do like about this man's application is that if you're a huge moviegoer like I am, on the iPhone application you can actually quickly search for a movie that's upcoming, like a movie that's going to get released. You can add it to your watch list, and if the movie is about to be released within a week, you're going to get a notification, so you can better prepare yourself to buy some tickets and reserve your seats before it gets all sold out. So if you're a big moviegoer, you're going to really like this application. Now I'm fully aware a few of you guys are going to ask for a sleeping app, and I have one for you. The sleeping app that I will personally recommend is AUTOSLEEP. The reason why I like AUTOSLEEP over others is that there's no monthly subscription fee. It's not jam-packed with a lot of dumb ads, or you need to purchase certain premium package to unlock new features. This one has it all. It's a one-time purchase, and then after that you're good. What I like about this application, it's very simple to set up. It will automatically detect once you're wearing your Apple Watch that you're about to go to bed, so there's no need to launch the application or anything like that. And it keeps track of everything, all the important stuff, your heart rate, the amount of time you were in bed, and the amount of time you actually got some sleep. It does all the important stuff, and it will also show you a score on how well you slept. So if there's some things you might need some improvement on, this application will tell you all that information right there. Now this last one is a group of 3 different applications, so I'm just going to go ahead and begin and review all of them as quickly as possible. So Twitter, for my Twitter users, check out CHRIP. CHRIP is a Twitter client that will allow you to actually view your Twitter feed right there. You can retweet, like posts, even view videos. It does take a while to load though, but it's free to download, it's user friendly, so what is there to hate? The same creator of this application also made these next 2. NANO is the other application. Now this is perfect for Redditors who follow a lot of subreddits. So you like to view your feed, see what's up. NANO is a great application for that. It's also free to download. And then the final one is MINIWIKI, and basically that's what it is. It's a mini version of Wikipedia. So if you like to scroll through pages, read some stuff, MINIWIKI is right there, and this application is available for you for the Apple Watch. But other than that, that was the list of not just compatible watchOS 6 applications, but some awesome essential applications I'm sure everybody will find some good use for. If you want to check out some gaming applications, I actually go ahead and cover that in this playlist, which you can also watch right here. And the video next to that one, that is a video that YouTube is recommending specifically for you. They think you're going to enjoy it. Go ahead and check it out. Comment down below and let me know if YouTube was right. But thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.